What is up, guys? My name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look at a cryptocurrency named AVAX, another cryptocurrency that could be following Solana's footsteps, the Solana ecosystem. So AVAX obviously is of course a layer 1 cryptocurrency right here, and it was actually pumping, and it's been pumping over the last week, making some big moves, up 8.8% in the last 7 days. And we could see right here that AVAX did a whipping 123% in the last month. So let's have a look at coin market cap before having a look at a technical analysis to see where AVAX can potentially go. So AVAX traded at $44.23. We know that Solana has been exploding. A lot of people don't want to miss the next bunk. A lot of people don't want to miss the next Pepe, miss the next Shiba, miss the next Doge. So they are essentially looking for other chains to look at these opportunities. Okay, people want to trade these shit coins, people want to go all in, people are here to make 100x potential, and because of this reason we could see AVAX really explode 20-30x in 2024. You might think that I'm exaggerating, but I am not exaggerating at all. We could see that the market cap right now is sitting at $16 million or $1 billion with a volume of $2 billion. So this is where a lot of people are buying AVAX to essentially trade shit coins. We could see that 365 million tokens are in circulation. Okay, so AVAX right now, guys, for those of you guys who don't know, is in a top 10 crypto, and I would even consider it way higher in the top 10 or in the top 9 because USDC is currently ranked 7 and USDT is currently ranked number 2. So these are actually two stable coins, and lately and recently AVAX just flipped Dogecoin. Dogecoin was massive and it was a top 5 cryptocurrency at one point. So AVAX is definitely climbing up that staircase. We could see right now that AVAX does have more volume than Cardano and of course XRP and BNB. So obviously this is a massive crypto. You can see that Solana is doing crazy volume right here, sitting at $6 billion, making it a top 4 cryptocurrency. And the big question is, will Solana go for the top 3 and flip BNB? But in this video we're going to be focusing on AVAX right here. Let's dive into TradingView to see where this can potentially go. So having a look right here at AVAX, things have been pretty healthy if you ask me. We know that the trend is your friend until it bends. There's no question about that. This is a nice little beautiful trend line that AVAX has been in right now, and the big question is, what is the next big move for AVAX? So we could see right here we were consolidating right here for, I wouldn't say for a week, but for a few days before essentially pumping, had that nice little fake out. Of course we came back down, made a nice little double bottom right here. Guess what happened right here? We essentially exploded, came back down, retested, exploded again, and now we're sitting at a very important support region. And the big question is, will AVAX essentially come back down and essentially break this support region and come back and retest $37, or will we essentially continue to bounce back up? I wouldn't be surprised if we see a nice little bounce right here over the weekend for AVAX. Things will be looking pretty good. If we do see a nice little reversal candle, we could see right now that the last time we were oversold on the stochastic RSI on the 4-hour time frame was actually right here. Okay, it was December 18, was about 4 days ago. That's when we were oversold on the stochastic RSI. Guess what happened after that? We essentially came back here, became overbought. Investors were like, whoa, we need to slow down, we need to pull back. And this is where AVAX right now is actually coming down and pulling back. So of course on the short term we are looking slightly bearish, but if we consolidate right here for the next 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, that would be very good, because that would mean that the stochastic RSI would be pulling back, and this would give a chance for the stock RSI to flip to the upside. If we have a look on the 1-hour time frame, we could see that the stock RSI are already oversold right here, and we could see what happened the last time we were oversold. We took a long right here, AVAX exploded, oversold right here, AVAX exploded, boom. We could see that this correlates with that and that correlates with this, and of course we saw another one right here, exploded, boom, another one right here, boom. So obviously these indicators don't lie, and they are working pretty well in my opinion, and it's only a matter of time before we do see this thing exploding. But the big question is, are we going to see a consolidation right here on AVAX, or are we going to see a nice little move? Now, we know historically that volume is lower on weekends, so we're gonna have to see what happens to Bitcoin, because we know Bitcoin is king, Bitcoin's the leader, and Bitcoin has been consolidating in this very annoying region right here between $44,000 and $43,400. So of course it will dictate the next big move on AVAX. So if we have a move and a breakout above on Bitcoin, let's say to $45,000, we could see a massive move on AVAX. And of course, if we have a move below this level, then we could see a bearish move and potentially a short position on AVAX. So AVAX right now is currently down 4%. Nothing too crazy, obviously, after it's been exploding. I would say over 100% since the lows, right? So nothing too crazy to see over here, right here. We were sitting at $21. We are up 124% since the lows. Since this pump right here at the bottom of the stochastic RSI, we did peak right here at a 30% increase. Now that is a lot for a cryptocurrency that is worth $16-17 billion. So we're gonna have to see. Bitcoin should be your main indicator right now. It seems like Bitcoin is coming back down, but we have been seeing a bunch of fake outs right here. Fake out. Like we see an increase and then boom down, increase and then boom down. So we are always seeing these aggressive downtrends every time we have a nice little growth. So we're gonna have to see what happens here, and if Bitcoin can essentially make a move and create a gap over the weekend. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.